Good morning, everyone. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on GigaChad. So, we're sitting at 2038. So to answer the gentleman's question that super chatted $5, which Lou, thank you so much. I do appreciate that. So like if you're dollar cost averaging now, you would be buying like a double bottom potentially with the option of selling for a decent profit on this position, which is 145 to 260%, given that we have a retracement and given that it's the bottom. But I guess to answer your question, where the next support is, the next support, yeah, there is no more support. It would just be, it would actually be coming back down to 201, which would be another capitulation. But keep in mind, you're still in this downtrend though. So what can happen? So if you're trading it, then this is theoretically still where traders are going to be taking profits. I don't need to change this. I don't need to change the chart. But if you're holding it, you need to break this area of resistance. And once you break this, then you're invalidating this downtrend. And then we can start taking a look at the targets on the upside, which would be 2 cents 60. That would be the next major area of resistance that's going to determine whether there is a continuation or whether we get stuck and come all the way back down. But just keep in mind, we can still come over here and just like I have drawn here, get stuck, come back down, make a lower low, and validate this downtrend. And then the target, the next area of support would be actually 2013, which is retesting this previous area of support. But that's pretty much it for GigaChad. So if you're holding it, you need to break this, and then 2 cent 60 is in play. If you're trading it, this is where you're going to be taking profits. And then if you want to dollar cost average down, I would say now is a good time to dollar cost average down. The RSI is curling up. The stock RSI is curling up. The RSI is close to oversold. And if you're and the next area to dollar cost would be that 2013, right? So you kind of minimize your losses and still have the ability to sell if we do get a relief rally. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support.